I got your COVID test result.
Negative or positive?
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi friends, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day here. I honestly can't tell you what outside is looking like because I haven't opened my windows and my doors from morning because I'll have to close them back in a few minutes. But I'll discover what outside is like as soon as I step out. As you guys can see, I am dressed. Where am I going, you ask? Girl, I have to take my kid back to the doctor. So, if you guys are new to the channel and has clicked on our channel for the first time, my entire family had COVID last week. It's been a week, fully 1 week now. I tested positive, my husband tested positive, my daughter tested positive, our son tested negative. So, the aim of today is to take Tyler back to the doctor to get another PCR test to confirm that he's still negative so that he can go back to school tomorrow. So if Tyler can go back to school tomorrow, then Sarah can go back to school tomorrow. But if Tyler turns positive today, it means that I have to keep him home for another week, and that means Sarah won't be able to go to school because I won't be able to go anywhere. Babe and I out of the contagious phase. We're out of quarantine, and baby's back to work this morning. Baby's back to work. He's doing a lot better. Hopefully he continue with his progress so that he won't have to bring home all of his stuff to work from home. But if he's having a hard day at work today, means that he's gonna have to bring home all of his things. Go ask Tai for it. He's gonna have to bring home all of his things and continue working from home. Where is Doll? Doll is in your room. So that's what's going on. So I'm taking Tyler to the doctor. I'm also feeling my tonsil like it's going to act up on me. So I'm going to also ask the doctor to check on that for me. But come here, Sarah. Come here. Our bubbly girl is here. Say morning, babes. You ready to go on the road with Mama?
Yes.
Alright, go look for your doll and then Mama gonna get you dressed, okay?
Yes.
Alright. Alright, go on. So that's what's going on with us. Sarah cough is almost non-existent, so thank Almighty God for that. And I continue to have no symptoms at all. Apart from my throat, feel like there is sand in it since yesterday. My throat, but I think it's my tonsil that's acting up. So like I said, I'm gonna ask the doctor to check on that for me. But it feels good to be getting out the house a bit to get some fresh air. Not like that, but you know what I mean. But first I need to have breakfast. So for breakfast today I am having kale, spinach, banana, strawberries, mango, flaxseed, and a little bit of water. And I'm gonna make myself a green smoothie, sip on that, and get out of here. So have a good day. Oh, I also got a little workout in this morning and it felt good. I deliberately didn't work out last week because I didn't feel like it, I guess because everybody in the house was kind of so last week I missed all of 3 days, but that's okay, girl. We do what we gotta do. Make breakfast and head out on the road. Tyler is down there watching TV. Ty!
What?
How are you?
I'm fine.
What you watching?
Okay.
He's watching Mickey. Anyway, breakfast on the double and get out of this house and come back and get some work done. So have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, try and stay as safe as as you guys can in these streets, because girl, COVID not afraid of me, it not afraid of you, and it not afraid of nobody. Anyway, you guys, have a good day. Let's go make some breakfast. And voila, breakfast is ready. That feels good. Oh, my baby's so cute there. Hi, Sarah.
Behind you.
Sarah. Hey, Sarah. You're too cute. Of course, our Stella have to be beside her. Bonjour. Je suis ici pour faire un test PCR pour mon garçon.
Oui,
Pour lui.
d'accord.
Parce que la semaine dernière, j'ai
Il a
fait
quel âge?
à 6 ans.
D'accord.
Il fait un premier la semaine dernière, mais c'est négatif. C'est mon mari et moi, c'est positif.
D'accord.
Mais j'ai vu un autre
Je vais
pour
prendre
lui.
la carte vitale.
Ok.
C'est pour Tyler.
Oui. We're heading home. So you guys, the doctor office was full. When I stepped in, I was like, oh my god, I'm not gonna get through right now. But I registered Tyler and got through right away. I guess everybody up there is waiting to see a doctor, and Tyler was just do the PCR test and get out. So we got through and heading back home right away, just in time for lunch. So it's a waiting game now. By the end of today's vlog, you guys will know what Tyler test result will be. So we'll see you guys when we get home. You guys, I am back with my babies. They're having lunch. Look at them. Lunch. What are you eating?
Pasta and sausage.
Pasta and sausage. Sarah, yummy? Say yummy in my tummy. Good girl. Anyway, you guys, now that I'm back, I am going to get this house fresh, change bedding, sanitize, clean kitchen. That's my mission for today. So I got a whole lot ahead of me, so I'm gonna leave you guys and go and take care of that, so that when the hunger slap me, I can have lunch. These two are like cat and dog. Well, can't be cat and dog, or cat and dog fight.
Mama.
Yes, Sarah.
Look at how you can
Tai tickling you.
Mais maman, ça te fera pas.
So why you coming to Mama? Mama can't help you. Okay, leave her no time. Finish. Oh my God, he might get her break. Go play with Tai now. Leave Mama alone. I could watch them play all day. Be careful, guys. Take your time, Ty. She tried to escape if it's not working.
She tried to defend by giving me gimme, but it still won't work. Take that hurt. Yourself. Oh, on n'a pas encore entendu le broute. Alors,
Ty, take time the way your person are.
ton gros poupoutin ne t'aidera pas.
You guys, I am in my happy place. My kitchen. I'm making dinner for the fam bam. And I'm making something that I haven't cooked in a long time. I saw it in the supermarket last week and I'm like, come here. I'm gonna buy you and I'm gonna cook you. Come here. I got your COVID test result.
Negative or positive?
Why your face looking like that? You're scared it's positive?
Yes, it's positive or negative.
Because you're scared positive because you won't leave your sister alone, don't you?
Negative or positive? Negative or positive?
You're going to school tomorrow.
Yes, negative!
You guys, I just got Tyler COVID result and it's negative. Which means you have to continue drink your green juice and take your lemon shots, okay?
Yay!
Yay! Sarah! Celebration. Say bravo, Tyler! Say bravo, Tyler! Say bravo, Tyler! Say good job, Tai. Okay, finish now. So that's the good news. Tyler is negative. So school for everybody tomorrow. Let me show you guys what I'm cooking.
Except food for you.
I'm making
Sarah!
chicken liver pudding. Chicken liver. And I know Tyler would appreciate some mashed potato with that, so I'm cooking that. And then I'm gonna make some green beans, and that's dinner for the family. My baby's here playing with water mat, drawing mat. My sister-in-law gave them this gift. I don't even remember how long now. It's actually water in the pen that they're using to draw on this mat. Then after a while, whatever they drew go away, and then they can continue drawing.
So that means this will go away?
Yes.
Oh no.
And then you can continue draw something else. Alright, you guys, visual on my baby's dinner. I'll drop a little planting in there. And yeah, dinner for the win. Welcome. Visual on my plate. Like that.
How do I do?
Cool.
Okay.
How are you?
Coughing.
Well, it seems like I plan on sleeping in my bed tonight, but it seems like I'm gonna have to ship myself back.
No, you can come.
I'm getting permission.
Yeah, when I sleep, I sleep. I don't cough in my sleep. I mean, while you fart in your sleep, I don't cough in my sleep.
You guys, you realize he's still here, right? He's still giving trouble. He's not going nowhere. Still here giving trouble.
Yes, boo. Ain't going nowhere. That's your sentence. Yes, girl.
Anyway, you guys, I was about to tell him to tell you guys how is he doing.
I realize when I cough, my head hurts.
Oh, don't talk. I was about to tell you guys how he's doing, but clearly you guys can see he's still coughing, but it mainly happens when he speak. When he keep his mouth shut, when he keep him backside quiet, him alright. But when he get trouble, he get strike with a cough and behave himself. Anyway, you guys.
She take advantage of the situation.
How so? God quiet you. When you give trouble, it make you cough. So tell him to behave himself. It better we laugh about it. What we gonna do? Cry? Nah, we ain't gonna cry. Anyway, you guys, I am going to bed because tomorrow is back to basics. And you guys can see my eyes, I'm tired. Sarah is back to school tomorrow. Tyler is back to school tomorrow. Baby's working from home tomorrow. So at least you'll get to nap during his lunch break. Anyway, guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up with the fam. But my babies are in bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow.